Enabling multi-factor authentication MFA on Socio is an important step to enhance your account security. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Log into your Socio account. Begin by visiting the Socio website and logging into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use the SROP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Locate security settings. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Security or Privacy. Click on this section to find options related to account security features, including MFA. Step 4. Enable multi-factor authentication. Within the security settings, find the option to enable multi-factor authentication. Click on it and follow the prompts to set it up. You may need to choose your preferred method of authentication, such as SMS or an authentication app. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up MFA, make sure to confirm your changes. You may be asked to verify your identity through the chosen authentication method. Once verified, save your settings to ensure MFA is activated on your account. By following these steps, you can successfully enable multi-factor authentication on your Socio account, adding an extra layer of security to protect your information.